This is a story about making a difference by making the right choices all along the way. The story takes place in Vancouver, Washington, in the one facility where Bergstrom Nutrition manufactures PurforMSM, the world's most pure MSM. PurforMSM is made in a multi-stage distillation process that takes place entirely within a single-purpose facility, reducing all chance of cross-contamination. As we guide you through our process, we will illustrate why distillation is the most secure path to product purity, and we will demonstrate the ways in which our distillation process ensures that PurforMSM meets the highest standards of quality. All MSM manufacturing begins in the same way, by combining DMSO and hydrogen peroxide to make methylsulfonylmethane, more commonly described as MSM. In the reactor prior to distillation, MSM is a liquid state and contains various impurities. These impurities may come from water, raw materials, or reaction byproducts. In the distillation process, we initially remove all the water in the reaction mixture and then remove any low boiling point impurities like phenol, heptane, and benzene. Purified of these low boiling point impurities, the MSM itself is then distilled, separating it from high boiling point impurities, such as lead, cadmium, arsenic, and mercury. With all of its water and impurities removed, the PurforMSM, now a vapor, moves in a closed system to a condenser, where it is cooled into a liquid form before ultimately becoming a solid. In the making of MSM, distillation uses unique boiling points as the key to its process. In contrast, crystallization uses freezing points. This is significant because in the crystallization process, liquid bubbles or occlusions can form within the solid crystal, and impurities can be trapped within these occlusions. At Bergstrom, at the end of the distillation process, we have produced liquid MSM that has no impurities. The purified liquid MSM is stored in product tanks to be made into either flakes or powder form. To make powder form, the liquid MSM enters a closed system spray chamber and exits as tiny, consistently sized spherical particles or powder. Consistent particle size allows for better handling in your encapsulating and tableting equipment. The powder is then conveyed to the next production stage through a DUA-HEPA filtered pneumatic system. Finally, before being packaged, the powder form may be combined with a flow agent to ensure maximum equipment efficiencies. Throughout the manufacturing process, whether the MSM is in its liquid, gaseous, or solid form, it moves within a sealed system where it is never exposed to an environmental contamination. At Bergstrom, we regulate and monitor the entire manufacture process in a precise and repeatable manner. All of our manufacturing controls are backed up by redundant systems that enable continuation under emergency conditions. After being packaged, the product is placed in a QC hold area to await analytical result from an independent third-party laboratory. Every lot of MSM is submitted for physical, chemical, microbiological, and heavy metal analysis, utilizing state-of-the-art methods. Finally, there are the people who stand behind the process, the Bergstrom staff. With its 100+ years of combined experience in MSM manufacturing, we ensure quality through all phases of production. We offer on-site troubleshooting when it's needed. Since introducing MSM, we have been pioneers in the industry. We have invested in the most rigorous scientific research on MSM and have committed to the best manufacturing process. Those that benefit most from our story are the millions of people that choose products made with PurforMSM, the only MSM used in double-blind clinical research. PurforMSM, the one found in nearly every companion animal joint product. PurforMSM, it's made in the U.S.A. to the highest standards in the MSM industry and trusted more than any other brand in the world as the most reliably pure MSM. PurforMSM is now exclusively distributed for the animal health market by Trouw Nutrition, U.S.A.